Hello guys, welcome back once again to Site Tutorials, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install an ad blocker on both Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. So technically an ad blocker is a program that removes different kinds of advertisement from a web user's experience. Okay, so by just blocking unnecessary ads and all that, that's what an ad blocker does. I'm going to show you how to install an ad blocker on Google Chrome and then on Mozilla Firefox. So let's start with Google Chrome. Okay, go to Google Chrome and then let's search for a list of ad blockers for Google Chrome. Okay, so we have all these kind of ad blockers: Adblock, AdGuard, Adblock Plus, Costly, Opera Browser. Opera Browser is just a browser on its own with an inbuilt ad blocker, so that's why it's included here. And then we have Adblock Ultimate and all that. So in this video we're going to use the best ad blocker I've ever seen according to my experience. We're going to use uBlock Origin. Okay, we're going to use uBlock Origin. So let's copy that and then open another tab, type download uBlock Origin for Chrome. Okay, so it will take you here. Before we proceed, let me show you a website with no ad blocker looks like. Okay, so this is flyscore.com, just for sports news and all that. So as you can see, there are just tons of advertisement and all that, so this is all kinds of advertisement. We want to get rid of all this. Okay, so let's go to uBlock Origin and then click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add Extension, and it has 10 million active users. So that's quite an incredible number. Okay, so we want to be patient for it to fully install. Says uBlock Origin has been added to your Chrome. Okay, so let's process. Then go to our website again and see how it turns out this time around. Okay, so nice. Now as you can see, there are no ads loading and all that. Okay, so the page is now free from advertisements and all that. Now we have no advertisement on this page anymore. Okay, so that's it. So if you want to disable it, just go to settings and then go to extensions, and then this uBlock Origin. Okay, just turn it off. If you want to uninstall it, just click on remove. Okay, so right now we want to just block any ads. We don't want to see any ads at all, so you just enable it, and that's it. Now I'm going to show you how to do it on Google Mozilla Firefox as well, using the same process. Okay, so we will fire up our Mozilla Firefox application. Click on let's see, list of ad blockers for Firefox. Okay, for Firefox we have stop all ads, Adblock Plus, uBlock Origin, disconnect, ad blocker for YouTube, AdGuard, and all that. So we're going to pick any one of them. So let's just pick let's try another one. Let's pick disconnect. Okay, so let's type here download disconnect Google. No, let's use uBlock origin. Download uBlock origin for Firefox. All right, so you click on the first link. Then click on add to Firefox. Okay, click on add to Firefox. Okay, so Adblocker origin will have permission to access your data for websites, read and modify privacy settings, access browser tabs, access browser activity during application. Click on add. uBlock origin has been added. Allow this extension to run in private window. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we are done now. So let's visit our Flash code and see how it works out. Okay, now as you can see, it's the same thing. There are no ads, no annoying ads or whatsoever. Okay, so the page is once again free from ads using either Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so basically that's how it's done. That's how you install an ad blocker on the Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome as well. So if you want to install it, just go to settings, extensions and themes. Click on extensions, then you can just remove it if you want. If you want to just disable it just temporarily, you can just turn it off, and then you'll be seeing some ads and all that. So we just enable it. We don't want to see any ads at all, so we just enable it. Okay, so thank you guys for sticking around. See you in my next video. Bye bye.